Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Placement Zone. In this video, I am going to tell you when Infosys will give onboarding. And I am also going to tell you if Infosys onboarding is actually given or not. And also tell you why Infosys revoke offer letters. Is it true or false? And also going to tell how Infosys planning is going to be. Before starting the video, if anyone has not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So let's start our video. I know many are waiting for Infosys onboarding. Do you know what doubt they all have? When will this onboarding is given? So that's why I researched about it. If you see that Infosys last onboarding was on January 2nd, right? And in that onboarding, a total of 2,500 people were taken in the onboarding. But do you know that Infosys can give training to 10,000 people at the same time in Mysore campus? But why 2,500 people were given onboarding? Because of recession. Yes, you heard right. Because of this, already many of people lost their jobs due to the recession, and now they stopped our onboarding. And so many days back, actually so many months back, Infosys said our onboarding is on March 13, right? But after that, they rescheduled it and says June 12 is our onboarding, and again they reschedule it, and it looks like playing chess with us, right? And do you know one more thing? Those who took training in 2022 have no project till now. They are still in their bench. Some of them are doing dummy projects, and some of others are doing support roles, and some lucky people got developer roles, and those lucky people, I think 1% or 2%, right? And one more thing, those who have completed their training in the recent days, they are now on the bench. And now just think about it. How can they onboarding us when so many people are on the bench? Okay, let me see last onboarding details. My friend joined in Infosys on January 2nd. In that time, there was 5 batches in total, out of which the first batch was released in February, and the second batch in May, and next batch in May ending, and one more batch is revealed in June starting and completed their training. And when I asked all of them now, how was the training going on? And the answer they all got was that the training was very difficult. Yes, Infosys training is very hard. Do you know why? Until 1 year back, there was no negative mark in Infosys training, and so many people cleared their training in online. But now the training is available offline, and now they have added negative marks too. So now training has become very difficult, and many people are terminating those who are failing in training. That means whoever scores less than 65% in Infosys training will be terminated by Infosys. Do you understand? Do you know last year was not like this? Even if you fail, they will not terminate you. And now ask, when will Infosys give onboarding? To my friend who has completed the training, and they said that their educators told them that means the next onboarding can be expected in September. It's just an expectation, but not if it will be given onboarding at the same time in particular. It's just an expectation, and it's not a confirmation. Note it. Got it? They can give onboarding October or September. And I have to tell you something important. Infosys makes revoke many offers only after issuing offer letters, and some members got before offer letters. Do you know why did they do it? Because of 6 months criteria. That means those who write 2 times Infosys test, written test, in 6 months will have their offers revoked. In other words, offer letters are being cancelled 10 days before joining. That means those who wrote the test once in 6 months will not have any problem. Those who have written the test 2 times in 6 months, try other offers instead of waiting for Infosys. Just think why I say like this, because I see the exact situation. I will tell you a small story. One of my friend, his name Vamsi, he was waiting for Infosys onboarding to 1 year, and he received an offer letter in December, and he got document submission mail also. And after submitting his documents, they send a mail like this: your Infosys offer letter be revoked because of 6 months criteria. So just imagine his situation right now. Luckily he have another job in Wipro, so he go for that. Just imagine if he didn't have any offers, what is his situation? So I can tell you guys, those who have written this test 2 times in 6 months, try other offers instead of waiting for Infosys. Don't stress about how to find another job. I am here. Do subscribe to my channel now. I will post job updates. Apply for every job. I will also tell you how to apply and what skills to put in the resume. And lot of members says I didn't get reply after applying any job. The reason is your resume is not perfect. Do subscribe my channel and I will make a video on how to build your resume perfectly for every job. Why late? Subscribe now and press the bell icon next to it. If I got any update about Infosys onboarding, I will notify you immediately, and I will make how Infosys training is going to be, and I will explain clearly in my next video. If you want that video, do subscribe my channel. If you really like this video and ask your doubts in comment section. I will definitely reply your comments. I have already made a video on wipro onboarding and it is in my channel. If anyone can't see it, watch the video. If the video is in Telugu, please add subtitles. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.